Hi guys, this is EJ and welcome back to my Roblox. And I was asked questions in my new iPad. I said yeah because of my mom. And that didn't have some PG Chapels. I don't know how to do PG Chapels, but look at that. We had 3.23 million subscribers. Is that not good enough? Anyways, I'll be listening for after payload. So I'm gonna check on this mom's. I don't know how old is this issue to deduce this. Would you look at that? The perfect shades. Yeah, and also my iPad is lagging because of the meeting. Yeah, the meeting, actually don't ask questions. It's only 2025. So okay guys, I'm gonna shut down with Kanito because I hate Kanito. I'm gonna get shut down to Kanito because I hate it now. No, I mean to delete the shutdown to else. Shuts down. Hang on. Yeah, but always I had our 2024 so still I have to delete shutdown and there. Boom. Alright, Kanito. I'm gonna say goodbye, Kanito. This one is done over. Actually, hey guys, did you watch the SMG5 and next videos? Alright, but it's in April 2024, and then take it back. Oh yeah, I know what is a baldi basics education and learning. That's hers. Is this done enough? I don't know how to delete this. Yeah, let's get the way. It says Kanito versus EJ, and nope, I don't want to see. And then it's song like this. Escanes, tienes, tales, carros, canales, catanes, canes. Okay, enough the Roblox time. We need some. Take it back down. What is happening? And now we're in the game. First up, we'll play Baldi's Basics, but Infinite B sodas. I don't know what you can get some. Well, let's try the good. Okay, I pressed the game on it. I was loading in and then. It says, if you open it, I don't know how did you get it. I was pressing out.
Welcome to Baldi's Basics for Infantry sodas. That's me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my video. And today, we already have say hi guys to the video. So today, we're gonna play Baldi's Basics, but Infantry sodas. That's it. It's being at 1.5.6. You didn't get chosen yet again. Then I already have the next video. So let's come. We're gonna call this elevator. Elevator is 1. And I'm gonna say, like, see the numbers that the link can say. And yesterday we're gonna use the loading because of the glitching on the meeting. Would you look at that? Also the sky. Let's do. No wait, is he loading in? Hey guys, I want to check this out. Just press this one. We already have pressed this on the start one. Press the button. Turn away. Hi, Baldi. You're staring me. Do you wanna not close the door? Oh yeah, it's closed. Hey, what you look at that? I'm too waiting for. There. 2, 1. Red
Ready
is
or
ready
not,
enough. Here I
here
come.
I come.
Oh. Did they both gone? Well, I have to wonder this one instead. Aaron, please, someone. Yeah, I'm gonna press the oh my god! You actually scare me. Wait, what is he doing? Ow. Ow! Ow! It hurt! Ow! Well, that makes sense. Okay, let's grab the book. In intonations of 1930. Now just hear you there. He's coming in. Will you start it now? Getting at this soon. Oh. No, it is coming that way. Oh, I saw Baldi. Get away from me, Baldi! Basics. Well, Baldi gone. It's time to get out of here before it's too late. Oh well. Let's grab the book and Leslie gets us 8 notebooks and we get together. What's going on?
Looks like someone forgot to monitor the sound system.
Sound system? Okay, I'm gonna be so.
Now that you know, 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 now Now that you know, 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 now that
The hell? It says don't let you know. It says 3. I'm gonna walk with these chairs. It's normal. Stay away from me, baldi basics. Pa! Papa! Oh, I forgot. So that was awkward. Anyway, hang on, guys. There is the baldi visitor. Congratulations, you. Not today. Not today. Looks like a sweeping toy. The other sweep. It's coming this way. Not play. No. No. Oh. Okay, I'm back. Boom.
Congratulations! You found all these notebooks. Now all you need to do is find a way out before I catch you.
Oh, that was awkward. Anyways, go right back. I don't want to play the game before, and it's just lose on only broadcast in there. So they come in. Hang on, there's only baldi. This baldi RP. That's FP. Easily it can becomes a role playing. Where's the RP? RP. Damn, I do. There's no way to do be here. Anyways, I got only 2 days and already it's 3 days. Yo, hey guys, I will do that, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye.